This website is great to make your own Wordles for your students or for just yourself or friends. It's so easy to do. All you go to is mywordle.strivemath.com, and then you put your custom word in, and it can be as many letters as you want. And so it doesn't have to be 5 letters. It could be 6, it could be 10, it could be 2 letters. You can make it what you want it to be. So if I make a word, like I'm going to use grill or grills, and then I hit generate link, it makes the custom Wordle for me. And then I can copy that link and I could say, take it and share it with my students, or use it to make it to a QR code, which is what I've done, and put the QR code up for the students to read. And then when they go to that website, then they can start guessing for letters. And it would put so if I take that and I say paste here, and then they go, and it would make the Wordle for them. And then let's see, if I did it like, and then I say enter, it'll tell me that word's not found in its dictionary, and then it will do like you can play the Wordle and figure it out. And it will tell you if you get the amount of guesses, and just like you would in a normal Wordle. It's a great feature. I love using it with my students. Highly recommend custom Wordle.